and welcome to video number 13 of the Stay Smart program. So today we're going to do some movement. We're going to do the exercises that work both sides of your brain working in together. Let's start off with an exercise that you've done before, the one that you should be used to. Let's bring both hands out in front of you, and I want you to bring your hands up and down. Let's go left and right. I'm not going to dwell on this too much because you've done this a few times. Let's go up and down with one hand and then left and right with the other. Okay, this is cross-body movements. Now, let's do that the other way. So let's go up and down with this hand, left and right with this one. This is just going to be a nice little warm-up for what we're about to do. Okay, good. Another one that you've done before, point to this fist and stick your pinky out. So one hand is just the index finger, one has the pinky, and all you're going to do is switch and point to the other fist with the pinky out. Let's do that again. We're going to switch and switch and switch and switch. Easy. Okay, now you're facing me. I'm going to get you to bring this hand up on this side. I don't know which way this is going to be, if this is going to be mirror image for you, but whatever hand is on this side of the video that you're seeing, I want you to start above your head and I want you to draw a line. You're going to draw a line out and then back on up. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Nice and easy, right? Let's start with this hand now. You're going to start above your head. This time you're going to draw a triangle. It's going to go out again, then it's going to go along the bottom, and then back on up where you started with. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so this hand does the line. Let's do that. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this one is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You may guess what's about to go. We're going to do these at the same time, okay? Now we're going to start with both up the top. I'm going to do this very, very slowly to begin with. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? I just realized I said slowly and that actually wasn't that slow. Let's do it even slower. Ready? Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? Do it one more time slowly. So remember, this hand is just drawing those lines up and down. This one's actually continuously going to draw that triangle. Ready? Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, I've noticed in my class that people, after a while, they get this right only because they're really watching me very, very hard, okay? So I want you to try and do this with your eyes closed, okay? Or do it without watching me, basically. Just remember, this hand is going up and down. This hand is doing the triangles. And I'll tell you what, see if you can switch over. So this hand does the lines. This hand does the triangles. So it'll be like this. It'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know you got it right when number 6 goes up together like this. That's just a hint for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're going to be better at these if you are used to doing these sort of things, using different things with different hands. Usually people that play the piano are good with these sort of exercises. We're going to do one more. Now, there was an exercise we did when I did the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. We did that a few videos back. I've adapted it and made it a little bit harder. Of course I have. For this, I'm going to move back to this chair behind me. Okay, so if you remember what we did there is, let's start off with the basics. And I'm actually going to move this video down a little bit so you can see my feet a bit more. Perfect. Okay, so let me remind you what we did there. We did 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. Okay? Then we did 1 on this hand, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's a fairly easy pattern. Okay? Now, what I'm going to get you to do now, and my dog is about to walk in shot. Okay, no, he's not good. Okay, so we're going to go 1 on this hand, and I want you to tap the foot on the same side. Okay, and then when you do a 2, you're going to tap the foot on this side. Now I'm doing large movements, so you can see me doing it. You don't have to do as large and as silly as I am. So let's try that together. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's do that again. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that's not too hard. Your brain is doing multiple things there. I tell you what, let's make that harder. This time, as you do the number on one side, I want you to tap the opposite foot. Okay, let's try that. So it's going to look like, it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Let's do that slowly. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you find yourself watching me and that makes it easier, then I've taught you the pattern. See if you can do it without watching the video, or pause me and try it and then rewatch the video if you like. That was video number 13. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.